So we're back with another houseplant repotting video. Today we're repotting this orchid into LECA clay balls, or a lightweight expanded clay aggregate from Soul Soils. And this is a great option if you're looking to improve root health and kind of simplify your watering routine. Orchids don't grow in traditional soil and nature. Their roots need airflow just as much as they need moisture, and that's where LECA really shines. These lightweight expanded clay balls provide excellent drainage, and they still hold enough moisture to keep roots hydrated. Before repotting, we've removed the orchid from its old medium and gently cleaned the roots. This step is important because it lets you inspect the root system and remove anything that's dead or rotting. Healthy orchid roots should be firm and green or silvery in color. Next, we're placing the orchid into a clean container and filling in around the roots with pre-rinsed LECA. The goal here isn't to pack it tightly, but to support the plant, leaving plenty of air pockets. These spaces allow oxygen to reach the roots, which helps prevent rot and encourages new growth. LECA works especially well in a semi-hydro setup. As water sits in the bottom of the container, the clay ball wicks moisture upward, providing consistent hydration without keeping the roots constantly wet. This can be a game changer for growers who tend to overwater or deal with fluctuating humidity. Once your orchid is settled in, care becomes more predictable. You'll water less often, monitor the root health more easily, and have better overall control of the nutrients if you choose to fertilize. Repotting orchids into LECA may feel different at first, but it's a clean, reusable, long-lasting medium that many growers swear by. With proper care, this orchid will quickly adjust and put out strong new roots, setting it up for long-term success. In some instances, LECA can be mixed with other types of soil medium to have kind of a hybrid soil situation. While LECA is not for everybody, this is a good option to experiment with and learn what best works for the environment which you have. And thanks to Desiree from Cactus Cactus for the collaboration on repotting houseplants.